Today we have something that barely fits on our table. Special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this heavy-duty basketball rim. Inside of this box is exactly that, a heavy-duty basketball rim. So let's open it up and try to show it to you up close. There we go. This thing is heavy duty. Wow. It's just foam. Those are probably important. We'll go through those in a moment. And let's set out our... Oh, the net's even included. Nice. I've played a lot of basketball, but this is a nice basketball rim. Love that it includes your net. So your net's already in here. Looks like, wow, yeah, it doesn't loop around like a normal net. Looks like you've actually got to unscrew this to get your net off, but hey, that's good. I mean, look at those springs. This thing is heavy duty. Wow. Ugh. I don't think I've ever seen a higher quality basketball rim in my life. Not even in a pro game. Like, jeez. All right, well, that's the rim. And in this box is, I think, all of our accessories. Yep. So the bolts and screws that you'd need to put this on to a backboard, which is sold separately, of course. And that's it for that. And then also this piece. So that's everything that comes inside of this heavy-duty basketball goal. And let me tell you, it is heavy-duty. I would recommend having someone help you install this because of the weight of it. It'd be very hard to try to hold this and put it up. Thanks again to the company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you what you get here. Great quality basketball rim. I mean, this thing almost seems unbreakable with an even great quality basketball net. Great product here. Thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.